Hey, I bet you don't know about this scheme. You can win up to 1 crore lottery by government. Yes, win 1 crore lottery for every 3 months or 10 lakh for every month. But how? Well, Mera Mera Adhikar is the new scheme launched by government. So you just have to upload restaurant, movie tickets or any other GST bills in below website or app, and for every month 800 people will win 10,000 rupees and 10 people will win 10 lakhs, and for every 3 months 2 people will win 1 crore. So the main aim of this scheme is to motivate customers to ask for a bill every time they make purchases. And it was launched only in 6 states and union territories. They are Assam, Gujarat, Haryana, and Union Territories of Puducherry, Daman Diu, and Dadra Nagar Haveli. And soon it is going to launch in all states. So what you are waiting for? Go and upload your bills right now and share with everyone and let everyone take advantage of this scheme. And follow for more amazing content.